Welcome to Math Magic. In the previous video, we have seen quadratic equation solving using two methods. One methods. One is factorization by sum and the product method, and one more is factorization by using identities. In this video, we are going to continue with two more types of solving quadratic equations. Okay, using the same method, that is factorization method by using sum and the product. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As we know, a into c is nothing but the product and b is the sum. So the type number 5 is solve 3x plus 1 divided by 7x plus 1 is equal to 5x plus 1 divided by 7x plus 5. Now, if you see the question, this is not in terms of general form, isn't it? So we have to bring it to the general form, and then only we can solve the quadratic equation. Now, how to bring it to the general form? By using the cross multiplication method. Let us cross multiply. See, 3x plus 1 into 7x plus 5 is equal to 7x plus 1 into 5x plus 1. So if you multiply 3x into 7x, 21x square, 3x into 5x, you have 15x, 1 into 7x is 7x, 1 into 5 is 5 is equal to 7x into 5x is 35x square, and 7x into 1 is 7x, 1 into 5x is 5x, 1 into 1 is 1. Let us simplify the like terms first. 15x and 7x are the like terms here, and 7x plus 5x are the like terms. So both the sides we will solve them first. We will simplify them. 21x square, 15 plus 7 is 22, 22x plus 5, 35x square plus 7x plus 5x is 12x plus 1. Now let us transpose all the terms to the left hand side. We get 21x square plus 22x plus 5 minus 35x square minus 12x minus 1 is equal to 0. When you transpose, the signs of all the terms in the right hand side will change. So plus 35 was, so it became minus 35 now. Plus 12 became minus 12x, and plus 1 has become here minus 1, which is equal to 0. Now let us simplify the like terms again. So we have 21x square and 35x square are like terms, 22x and 12x are like terms, and then we have constants. So we will do the addition or subtraction. 21x square minus 35x square is equal to minus 14x square. 22x minus 12x is equal to plus 10x. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, which is equal to 0. Now, if you see, all the coefficients and the constant are divisible by 2, isn't it? So they are the multiples of 2. So if you're dividing the equation by 2, but why this minus is taken? Because we don't want the first term of the equation to be negative. So we will divide the entire equation by minus 2. So if you divide it, we get 7x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here 7x and 2x, these are the products. So in the place of a and c, whatever you have, if you multiply, you will get the product. So 7 into 2 is 14. So minus sign is there. So minus 14 x square. And in the place of bx, whatever you have is nothing but sum. So minus 5x is the sum. So here, if you're using the sum and the product, we get minus 7x and 2x. So minus 7x and 2x, if you add, you will get minus 5x. Okay, if you multiply, you will get minus 14x square. So we shall use minus 7x and 2x in the place of minus 5x. Okay, so we get 7x square minus 7x plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Let us group first two and the last two together. In the first two, we have 7x common, so we get x minus 1 within the bracket, plus in the second group, we have 2 common. So if you remove it as common outside, we get x minus 1 within the bracket, which is equal to 0. In this entire equation, we have x minus 1 common. So if you remove outside, 7x plus 2 will remain, which is equal to 0. Now we need to use the zero product rule. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, if you want to understand about the zero product rule in detail, you can watch one more video on zero product rule. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 2 divided by 7. So our solution set is minus 2 divided by 7, comma 1. Now we shall move to the next one, type number 6. If you look at this question, look at the way how it is, isn't it? So there is one square root. Now all these sums, whatever we have solved earlier up to type 5, had no square root. So whenever we have square root, there is a different method to be used. Okay. So first thing is to remove the square root. How to remove the square root? By squaring on both the sides. So if you're squaring on both the sides, square and square root gets cancelled. So x plus 15 is equal to, we need to use a plus b whole square formula. In the place of a, you have x. In the place of b, we have 3. So if you're using the formula a square x square plus 2ab, 2 into 3 into x is 6x plus b square is 3 square, which is equal to 9. Let us transpose x plus 15, the right hand side to the right hand side. We get minus x and minus 15 is equal to 0. Let us solve the like terms. So x square will remain as it is. 6x minus x is 5x. 9 minus 15 is minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to use the sum and the product method. So in the place of a, we have 1x squared. In the place of c, we have minus 6. If you multiply, minus 6x squared is the product. In the place of bx, we have plus 5x is nothing but the sum. So if you're using these two numbers as product and the sum, which are the two numbers give the same product and the same sum? Yes. So they are 6x and minus x. So if you're multiplying these two, you get minus 6x squared. If you add in, you get 5x. So let us use 6x and minus x in the place of 5x. We get x square minus x plus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. Let us group first and the last together. We get x into x minus 1 plus 6 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. In this, we have x minus 1 common. X plus c is 6 is equal to 0. Let us use the zero product rule. We get x minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 6. Usually at this point, our sum gets over, isn't it? But we can write the solution set. But since we are having the square root in the given question, we need to verify our answer. How the verification can be done? If x is equal to 1, we need to substitute x is equal to 1 in LHS and RHS. In LHS, if you're substituting square root of x is equal to 1, so 1 plus 15 is equal to square root of 16 is equal to 4. In RHS, we have x plus 3, so 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Here LHS is equal to RHS, therefore x is equal to 1 is a solution. Now let us use the next one, that is if x is equal to minus 6, what will be LHS? Square root of minus 6 plus 9 is equal to square root of 3. RHS will be minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. So square root of 3 is not equal to minus 3. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, x minus 6 is not a solution. So our solution set contains only one number, that is 1. Hope it is very clear for everybody. This verification has to be done if there is square root in the given question.